Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making broccoli cheddar soup. We're going to be making it so yummy and delicious, and it's perfect for one of those days where it's like an overcast day, a rainy day, just a cold chill in the air, or just one of those days when you want to have comfy, cozy vibes. Well, let's get into making it. Everything that you will be needing for this recipe: salt and pepper or chicken bouillon, whatever your preference, chicken broth or veggie broth, fresh garlic cloves, a sweet yellow onion, broccoli, heavy cream, half and half or milk, a block of cheddar cheese, shredded carrots, butter, and flour. Okay, now let's start prepping everything to make our soup. I'm going to use a half an onion. We're going to use 4 garlic cloves. Now we're going to be shredding about 2 cups of cheese, or if you want to use already shredded cheese, that's okay too. Now I'm just going to be washing my broccoli. It's already cut up for me. If you want to buy the full one and cut it up yourself, you can do that too. We're going to take 1 to 2 cups of our carrots. Now we're going to take 1/3 cup of flour. Now we're going to take 1/3 cup of butter. Okay, now that we have everything prepped, we're going to start cooking. Turn on your stove to medium heat. We're going to add our butter and onions first. Once the onions are halfway cooked, we're going to add our garlic. We don't want it to burn, and then I'll walk you through each step. Now put a lid on and let the broccoli soften. Now, since it's been cooking for a little while, we want to give it a taste and see if we need to add any more salt or chicken bouillon. It needs a little bit more chicken bouillon. Now that your broccoli is halfway cooked through, you want to add your cream and your cheese. Now just mix it slightly and then let it cook a little bit longer. So this broccoli cheddar soup is incredible. It is absolutely amazing, and I'm so happy that I made it because it is the best broccoli cheddar soup I have ever had. You're gonna feel the same too, especially because you're making it at home for yourself. And I can't wait for you to try it because it is that good. Until next time, bye.